UNSW Science is home to curiosity and discovery. We think big to form deeper connections with our world and to develop tomorrow's innovators. We are committed to pursuing innovative research that will lead Australia and indeed the world into a sustainable future. Whether it's our very own backyard, studying and conserving ecosystems in the Australian outback, or studying the psychological distance of climate change so we can be ready for future climate swings. Let's imagine the possibilities, to the stars and the great beyond. Let's think small, on a quantum scale, influencing the world at individual atoms. Building with nature rather than against it, and reducing our imprint on the planet, because there's no such thing as waste. Let's shape the future of our healthcare. Make a positive impact.